Sunday, Sweetie, and Siri answers.
He goes, oh.
You can't.
Yeah. Do I hold tight down here? Yeah. I don't know. Let it slide.
Pass.
Well, maybe not keep holding on to it, but let it slide. No, we're not.
Pass the softball on the table.
You're playing Zoe in the middle.
That would be fun.
That'd be funny if you ended up there at the same time we were.
I got no one to talk to. I'm just in my little rocky island.
Rocky Island? What?
There's rocks over there.
Oh.
Or rather, plastic island in a sea of rocks. Babe.
Stand it down here.
So when? Sorry.
Ow,
Did you not hear me?
What?
Did you not hear me tell you it was time to get ready for bed?
No.
Time to get ready for bed. I said that 15 minutes ago,
TJ.
so you need to hurry.
What, you hurt your finger?
Yes, I did.
Are you mortally wounded?
No.
Oh.
You didn't throw it close enough to me.
I'm hauling golds tonight, and I want to go in the morning early.
You're hauling golds?
Calling golds.
Bless you. Bless you.
For a while?
Cool. Noah.
Like white and green.
Oh.
What grade are you in now, Royla?
Me? 6.
Is that that's still elementary, right? In Washington? Or are you in middle school?
Middle school, but I go to year-round school, and it has K through 8.
What's year round? No summers?
No, okay, so you have 1 month of summer, but you go
You guys
back
want to take most of the kids back to the other house?
in the middle of
Take all the kids back so that the
Okay.
boys